Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share testing for doneness instead of guessing, various kitchen thermometers, and allowing for carryover heat. It takes only minutes for an expensive cut of meat or seafood to become a piece of dry, chewy meat or seafood. There's a difference between well done and overdone. Professional chefs and cooks use touch to check when steaks and fish are rare, medium, or well done. In most cases, it's safe eating wildfowl, beef, and seafood rare or medium. Mass-produced U.S. poultry must have an internal temperature between 165 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit to kill harmful bacteria. Ground meat and poultry should be cooked to 165 degrees minimum to kill harmful bacteria. An inexpensive thermometer assures foods reach safe temperatures. While the touch method works for meat and fish, it's not reliable for whole and cut-up poultry. Professional bakers and cooks use precise recipes and precision ovens. Consumer-grade appliances are less accurate. Even prosumer appliances are not as accurate as professional appliances. Overbaking quickly turns moist cakes, muffins, and breads into dry, tough cakes, muffins, and breads. A mistake novice bakers make is relying on color, like lightly browned. Inserting a simple wood toothpick tells you if your cakes and muffins are done, regardless of color. As soon as a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, remove the item to a cooling rack. Some takeaways from this section are test, don't guess. Do not go by color. And a simple thermometer and toothpick will tell you when foods are done. There are a variety of affordable, reliable kitchen and grilling thermometers. Frozen meals warn to heat thoroughly to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a thermometer is the only way to assure the food is safe without overcooking. There are thermometers for candy making and deep frying, infrared to check surface temperature, instant read thermometers, oven and probe thermometers. Analog instant read thermometers are accurate, inexpensive, and never need batteries. It takes about 10 seconds for an accurate reading. Affordable, accurate, digital instant read thermometers requires replacement batteries. The temperature is displayed in 1 to 5 seconds in degrees Fahrenheit or Celsius. Infrared thermometers are useful for checking skillet and griddle surface temperatures. It instantly records the surface temperature and is more reliable than the water sizzle test. Probe thermometers can be used in ovens, toaster ovens, and grills to prevent overcooking. There are analog and digital candy and deep frying thermometers. Some combine both functions. Some probe thermometers come with a clip for deep frying and candy making. Terms like rare, medium, and well done are based on internal temperatures. The difference between rare and well done beef is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The internal temperature can increase 5 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit while resting, depending on size and thickness. Letting foods rest covered retains heat. For a medium steak to remain medium, you must remove it 5 to 10 degrees before the desired temperature. That means removing it when it reaches 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The same applies to roasts and pork. Whole poultry is usually cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit and also increases in temperature while resting. Investing in a probe or instant read thermometer assures foods are cooked as desired and are safe to eat. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.